Hi traders, this is Daily Market Forex Review and I would like to share my ideas about Euro, Great Britain Pound and Japanese Yen. So here are three instruments and you are welcome to go through other videos in my trading channel where you can find some ideas that you can use only if you have your trading system. This is an important part for you because if you don't know how to trade, please don't. Before you trade, before you invest, you should learn how to do it. You should find some mistakes that traders do after they lose money. So here I make videos for people who trade and know how to put stop loss and when they should stop their trading. For euro dollar, this is the 4-hour chart and I still think that here is a resistance around 103.10 and something that I made for you in the end of July is still okay for us to trade. So I told you that here is a resistance and price may go up to 103.10, 103.80. And this is still important for the market. Only if they test it, give you a rebound, we can sell from here. And the second option is that price goes under 101.10 and after they break the support, we can trade down to 100.20 and after that down to 0.9950. So only after they break 101.10 we can sell this currency pair. If we understand that right now here is range. The range, what does it mean for us? It means that we can sell from the top part, buy in the bottom part. But how do we understand that we should try to buy or sell right now? We use indicators. RSI with the period 14 for euro dollar on 4-hour chart doesn't work. So what should we do? We should try to see 1-hour chart. And over here we can get some trading signals. When RSI period 14 on 1-hour chart is being near the resistance level, which is 70 area, you can sell from here. When you see price being near 30 area, you can buy from here. And right now you can say that price is being near 70 area, so this is an opportunity for you to sell from here with your trading system. This is not a signal to sell. You should understand that after price touching 70 area, they may go up a little bit more, make a new shadow, and after that go down. So if you need to sell euro dollar, you have to go through economic news list. So you have to understand, do we expect some volatility today? If we're going to get some news, so it does mean that we are going to get some volatility for the market. Okay, so for euro dollar, after you go through a news list and you understand that we have volatility today or tomorrow, you should use this RSI signal. Okay? And this is something that you should also pay attention to, the divergence. Divergence on 1-hour chart is something beautiful that you can use for euro dollar. And if they will show us divergence over here, this also will be a beautiful entry moment for the market. And 30-minute chart also, let's go through 30-minute chart, because on 30-minute chart you also may get trading signal. After price goes to overbought zone, oversell zone, you should use RSI together with technical levels of support and resistance. So if you want to sell from here, you have to understand that this is a really important level of resistance. What's next? I would say that this level is also really important, which is 102.60. So if you sell right now, your stop loss goes above 102.60, above that. This is not must-have rule. This is something that I'm going to use because, for example, right now, you can say that intraday, yes, it's good to sell, but what if some news come? It means that they will try to test this 102.60, 102.70 area, and you have to be aware of that. For Great Britain Pound, my general idea is still the same, that this is a huge perfect range since 2016, and the support area is around 116, so I still believe that price will go to test the support, but really important to question when, and I don't have an answer right now. So when we discuss, for example, range on weekly chart, okay, right now this is still a range, I believe that, but we are not allowed to buy right now because it's been in downtrend. Let's say that this is like a local downtrend, okay. This is a huge range for 8 years, but this is still this is still for 6 years. This is still a downtrend since 2021. Okay, so if we take into account daily chart, there is no good trading signal. If we take into account 4-hour chart, it looks like a range actually. And if we discuss range, it also means that we can use RSI period 14. And right now, Great Britain pound is on its way to 30 area. So we can't buy right now, but we can sell from 121. Under 121, you can sell with the target 119.50 because this is a technical support. So I would say that under 121, you can try to sell with the target 119.50. We'll check 15-minute chart, and you can see this tendency line going down, the green line. Perfect. It looks so perfect. But should we sell right now? I would say that it doesn't look like a beautiful entry moment right now because price is being in a range. It's still in a range. And we don't see shadows on the top side. This is not European session because Great Britain pound is much better to trade on European session. And after that, I can share one more secret with you. The best trading volatility day for Great Britain pound is Friday. If you check the volatility for currency pairs for Great Britain pound with American dollar for the last 3 or 6 months, the best trading day is Friday. So you get the best volatility on Friday. And it means that we should come back to this currency pair on Friday because until that time, they're going to stay in a small range, which means like you can get 15, 20 pips, not more. Okay, so my general idea for this instrument is that under 121, we should sell with the target 119.50, 119.60. Okay, and yes, you should be aware of situation that they go to test 122. No matter what happens, any surprise may appear on the market, and if it appears, price may go up to 122. So that's why I'm telling you to sell under 121. When price has been under 121, we can try to go down and sell. For American dollar index with for American dollar with the Japanese yen, current price is 135, and we discussed with you recently that above 135 or after they test 134, we should buy with the target 136.60. So above this area, they should test 134 or they should break 135. You can see this red line that I have. So I do expect for two things. Either they test this support or they break this resistance and they go up to 136.60. So I'm not gonna sell this currency pair, but I do believe they will test support and giving you maximum price. So I'm not gonna wait for short positions signal, but I'm gonna wait for a long position signal. And on daily chart, you can see that they're trying to hit this resistance 135. They're trying to hit it, but they didn't break it yet. So if you buy right now, you put your stop loss under 132. Yes, this is a huge stop loss, but more likely that you won't get it. Okay, so I would wait price to test 134, give me a rebound, maybe on 15-minute chart. Or they need to break 135 to show me shadows on the bottom side, and after that I buy. So there are a couple of options that I'm gonna use, and this is like a win-win situation because if you, for example, like sell right now, you will work against the tendency. This is a bad thing. I don't trade like that. If you sell right now, and well, you may get a huge stop loss because tendency is going up. And my general idea is 145. My general idea is that this currency pair will go up to 145. So if you buy right now, you have to put a huge stop loss. That's why I'm going to wait price to test some support, give me a rebound or break the resistance, and after that I follow market. I wish you profits and go through my other videos. Bye bye guys.